They say history is written by the victors, so I don't mind playing the villain. Got a pretty girl to the throne. Cause the memories come and I can't even run. I gotta win this just to prove to me I can. I'll divide and I will conquer.
Itong Ranger na minamaneho natin ngayon, ang kulay nito ay Sunset Red. Ito ang 2018 model. Kompleto ang model na XLT with regards to accessories. Kung titingnan natin sa labas, meron na siyang fog lamps. Ang handles niya chrome na. And what we've noticed dun sa exterior features niya, yung headlights niya napakalakas. Napakalakas ng headlights. Pag binuksan mo pa yung fog lights, ang lakas din. So very noticeable yon dito sa Ranger, no? Ang ganda ng headlights. Hindi lang sa itsura, pero pati doon sa functionality niya, sa bato ng ilaw, napakalakas. Ang makikita mo din dito sa Ranger, sa exterior niya, ang kapuna-puna rin is ang height. Mataas ang height ng Ranger. Actually, mapagkakamalan mo nga siyang 4x4 dahil sa taas niya. So kahit na 4x2 lang siya, hindi ka mangangambang dumaan sa baha. Or hindi ka rin mangangamba na dumaan sa mga rough roads o sa mga lubak-lubak kasi nga mataas yung height nung sasakyan. Ngayon, yung stepboards nakakatulong sa pagsakay sa sasakyan, lalo na kung may sasakay ng mga bata, medyo nakakatanda. Pagdating naman sa performance nitong Ranger, it has a 2.2 liter turbo diesel engine. Mararamdaman mo rin na nakakatulong yung turbo kasi despite having a 2.2 liter engine displacement, meaning hindi ganun kalaki yung makina niya, ang lakas pa rin niya humatak. Very torquey. Now, ano ang advantage nung having a small engine displacement na nakaturbo? Matipid. From the time that we've driven it around the city at dinala namin to out of town sa Central Luzon, we average about 12 kilometers to a liter. Mixed city driving and long drives yun. Mula sa labas, mula sa makina, pagpasok naman natin sa loob, maganda yung space sa loob ng Ranger. Maluwag yung interior. Ako kasi, diba, 6-footer ako. Komportable ako. At kahit may umupo ka sa likuran ko, yung umupo sa likod still has enough leg room. Ang nakakatuwa din dito, yung loob ng Ranger, tahimik. So, hindi mo nga rin mapapansin minsan na diesel pala yung dinadrive mo na sasakyan kasi napakatahimik ng cabin. And dito sa model na to, dito sa XLT, ang steering wheel ng XLT is already leather wrapped. It has 22 buttons where you can control yung audio system, taking phone calls, dropping the calls. This model also comes equipped with a backup sensor, Bluetooth connectivity on the infotainment system. Ang XLT rin has cruise control. Ang isa pang napansin kong gustong-gusto ko is tito-proof to. So yung mga tito dyan na merong CDs pa, magagamit nyo pa yung mga CDs nyo, mga kapwa tito, no? Kasi meron pa rin CD player, may CD slot pa rin itong Ranger. And kung meron kayong mga bata, mga mas nakababatang kapatid, or mga anak, may Bluetooth connectivity na rin naman. So, hayaan nyo ng hindi ganun ka-advanced ang infotainment system nitong XLT. If you want something better na infotainment system, go for the Wildtrak or the Raptor. Yun ang may full-featured na infotainment system. For 1,233,000 pesos as its SRP, I think ang Ford Ranger XLT is worth considering if you're a first-time car buyer or a first-time pickup buyer. Bakit? There's a reason why Ford has been a consistent leading pickup in not just in our market but globally. Riding comfort comparable na to a sedan, and practicality wise it will do you more service than a typical sedan because it can get you not just from point A to point B, but it can definitely also haul in a lot of cargo. It has a lot of practical applications. O nga pala, auto buyers, meron ba kayong Ford Ranger XLT? Kung meron kayong Ford Ranger XLT, let us know, send us a message. Baka gusto nyong gumawa ng car owner review of your 4x2 Ford Ranger XLT. Drop us a line. And please, for all the Ford XLT Ranger owners out there, do you agree with what I said? Mataas ba talaga? Okay ba talaga sa lubak? And lastly, komportable nga ba? Tulad ng na-experience namin, hindi matagtag, hindi nakakapagod to drive. Let us know. Please put your comments on the comment section below. And if you have any requests on vehicles that you want the Auto Buyers team to review, please put those comments, all of those comments on the comment section below. Once again, thank you very much. Take care and God bless. Bye-bye.